DOR, say what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas today. And hey, in the event that your brakes are locked, it is very likely that it is your electronic parking brake. And we're going to talk about deactivating it. Let's take a look. All right, DLRs, hey, we are on the computer and we are going to look at a few photos first. We are now looking at the passenger rear tire, wheel, and hub of our Chrysler Pacifica. And if you look past the tire and rim and into the wheel hub, you can see our rotor caliper, and inside that caliper are our brake pads. And in addition, on the back side of that caliper is the part that is causing your brake systems or brakes to lock. And again, I wanted to show you photos before we move on to the actual deactivation process of your brakes so you can get them unlocked, reset, and reconfigured so you can continue driving safely. On to the next photo, we are still looking at the driver's side rear wheel hub. However, in this photo, we have removed the tire and rim. And again, here is our rotor, here are our lug nut studs, and here is our entire caliper and brake pad assembly and housing. And you can't see it yet, however, again, back here is that electronic parking brake mechanism that is causing your issue. Now to a top view of the exact same wheel hub, again, driver's side rear, and DIYers, here it is. That black plastic housing that is secured to the backside of the caliper housing and brake pad housing. And you can see the electrical connection point. And worst case scenario, DIYers, in the event that you go through this entire process of deactivating your parking brake that we're going to show you in this video and it doesn't work, you may have to come back here and carefully disconnect this electrical connection and leave disconnected for maybe 5 minutes. And then resecure it, and that should allow this parking brake mechanism to reset. However, it is extremely unlikely and uncommon that you would have to do that. However, if you do, just be very careful. You don't want to hurt yourself or do it incorrectly. However, again, before moving on, here is a picture of the part that is causing your issue. On to the next photo, and here is the caliper fully removed from our wheel hub and rotor. And again, this black plastic portion is the parking brake mechanism, again, electronic. And we need to deactivate it so we can allow it to reset and reconfigure for proper and safe configuration for driving. From here, let's hop inside the driver's seat of the vehicle and get this entire parking brake mechanism deactivated. We are now inside the vehicle and we need to deactivate or disengage the electronic parking brake. And to do so, go ahead and keep your feet on the floor. In other words, do not have your feet on the brake pedal or gas pedal. And go ahead and push the start-stop push button to activate or turn on the ignition. And you will see the display turn on here shortly. And there's the display. And from here, we are now going to press the start-stop push button a second time with, again, the feet on the floor, not touching the brake pedal or gas pedal. And the ignition system will turn on, as you see. And I'm going to select controls and settings. And I'm going to click the down arrow once and select brakes and brake service. Would you like to retract park brakes to allow for brake system service? Yes. And you can hear the electronic parking brake initializing or moving down below near the brakes. And at this point, park brake retracted. To reset, press brake pedal and activate park brake switch. From here, go ahead and turn the ignition switch off by selecting the engine start-stop push button and shutting the system off. In addition, you will know that your parking brake is off or deactivated if you have that P blinking on your instrument cluster. Both feet on the ground, not touching the brake pedal or gas pedal. We're going to press the engine start-stop push button just once. And you can see the display is powering up, and I'm going to push it a second time. Turn on the ignition system, and I'll accept. And again, park brake retracted. To reset, press brake pedal and activate park brake switch. And again, all I'm going to do, I'm not going to turn the engine on, is press the brake pedal, followed by pushing the parking brake push button, which is right down here, right there. And I can hear the brake park linkage down below reactivating, and I felt the brake pedal shift and move forward. And at this point, as you can see with the screen, park brake reset, brake service exit complete. Okay. We are now outside the vehicle looking at the driver's side rear caliper, rotor, wheel, pads, etc. And as we reactivate that parking brake, I wanted to position the camera out here so you can listen to it. Re-engage and activate. In addition, down below in the comments and description, several helpful video links on this exact Pacifica. Many helpful video links. Definitely check those out. And that's it. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.